Memories.
Opportunity.
Spectacular.
Unpredictable.
Exciting.
Enlightening.
Different.
When, in the first time of Austin history, me and Maggie White became co-presidents of the sophomore class.
When the sophomore class won class volleyball this year.
When I placed 5th at the state indoor track meet.
When our varsity volleyball team beat Scottsburg this year.
When I was initiated in the Sons of Liberty.
Indiana State. IUS.
Ball State.
MCRD San Diego.
Bellarmine, baby.
University of Southern Indiana.
Purdue.
University of Southern Indiana.
Ball State.